Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of our Clean Architecture with BLoC in Flutter series. In this episode, we'll see what clean architecture is, why it matters, and how it can make your Flutter projects much easier to manage and grow. Imagine this. You've been working on a Flutter project for months. Everything's going well, but then you take a break. 6 months later, you come back to add a new feature or fix a bug, and suddenly the code feels messy and confusing. You spend more time figuring out the code than actually writing it. Or maybe someone else has to continue your project. If the code isn't structured properly, they might spend days just understanding what's going on. That's where clean architecture comes to the rescue. It's not specific to Flutter. You can use it in any framework or language. The idea is simple. Organize your code so it's readable, maintainable, and easy to test, even in large projects or after months away from it. Clean architecture splits your app into 3 main layers: data layer, domain layer, and the last one is presentation layer. Let's start with the data layer. This layer is responsible for fetching and saving data, whether from APIs, a local database like SQLite, or even files. Its job is just to handle data, not to decide how your app behaves. And the second layer is the domain layer. This is the heart of your app. It contains all the business logic and the rules that define how your app works. This layer is independent of UI or data sources, so changes in your UI or APIs won't break your core logic. And the last but not least is the presentation layer. This layer handles everything the user sees and interacts with, the UI and state management. In this course, we'll be using BLoC for state management because it fits perfectly with clean architecture. BLoC keeps your UI separate from your business logic, making your app predictable, testable, and easy to scale. The great thing about clean architecture is that layers are independent. For example, if your app grows and you want to change your state management solution, you only need to update the presentation layer. Your core logic and data fetching stay untouched. By the end of this course, you'll know how to organize a Flutter project with clean architecture, keep business logic separate from UI and data, use BLoC effectively to manage a state, make your projects easy to maintain, test, and scale. From the next episode, we'll dive into building a simple news app together. This course is designed to be as beginner-friendly as possible, so you'll not only understand the concepts, but also see how clean architecture and BLoC are applied in a real project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.